All right, let's play one of my favorite games, which is to look back on what so-called market experts predicted would happen now that we are in the future from where they predicted things. So I just had a year ago screenshot I took on my phone summarizing a whole bunch of Wall Street analysts' thoughts on what would happen in 2025. And I have a few series of these videos because I think they're fun. But let's get right into it. So Morgan Stanley strategist Michael Wilson, who's a well-known bear on stocks generally speaking, had a bullish view. He expected the S&P 500 to finish 2025 at 6,500 points, which is up 11%. Not bad. As we sit here today, November 2025, 1 year later from his prediction, we're around 6,700 points, give or take. So we'll give Michael a star on that one. Goldman Sachs had a 10% return expectation for stocks in the U.S., talking about interest rate cuts and economic growth generally being supported for equities. They nailed that one. They also, credit to Goldman on a hot streak here, mentioned gold as being the top commodity trade of 2025. Now they targeted gold to be at $3,000 an ounce by December 25. Gold beat expectations there. It's trading around 4,000 plus per ounce 1 year later. So good on Goldman for nailing that one as well. Barclays Bank making a prediction on European stocks, predicted the stock 600, which is the UK index, to be up about 7%. It's actually up a little more than that. It's about 11% on the year. Not bad. The one that was a little more out of favor, credit to all these strategists, a lot of this stuff ended up becoming right and was better than expected. Chinese stocks, emerging markets, Morgan Stanley was extremely negative on. Emerging markets have been really good this year. So more to come on these. Not bad for Goldman and Morgan Stanley in particular on some of their predictions from last year.